Hello and welcome to yet another video of Introduction to Programming with Python. Today we will speak about arithmetical operators. There are 7 arithmetical operators by default in Python. The first and more easy one is addition. Obviously the symbol that you have to use is plus. If I write 20 plus 10, Python calculates the result and it's 30. Operations can work, of course, also with variables. We covered variables in the previous video. So if I write a equals 2 and b equals 10, and then I write a plus b
gives us the result
I get
of
the result,
a division,
which is 12.
but without the decimal
Except
numbers.
from addition, we have obviously subtraction. I can write 15 minus 12 and I get 3, or I can write a minus b and I can get the result, which is minus 8. Then we have multiplication. Multiplication is done by using the star symbol. This is on your keyboard the same key as 8. You can press shift and 8. So if I write a times b, I get 2 times 10, which is 20. Then we have division. So if I write 10 divided by 2, I get 5. Division, when it's done with a slash, gives me the exact result. For example, if I write 5 divided by 2, I get 2.5. If I write 10 divided by 3, I get 3.33333, etc. Then the last 3 operations are the exponent. If I want to raise, for example, 2 to the power of 10, I use 2 stars. So a to the power of b is a 2 stars b. Then we have modulus. Modulus is an operation that gives us the remainder of a division. Modulus in Python is represented by the percentage symbol, which is probably at the 5 key. So if I do 10 modulus 2, of course the division of 10 by 2 gives us 0 as a remainder, so I get 0. If I do 10 modulus 3, I get 1, because when 10 is divided by 3, we have a result of 3 and a remainder of 1. And the last operation we will speak about is floor division. Floor division, which is represented by 2 slashes,
gives us the result of a division, but without the decimal numbers.
We saw previously that if I divide 5 by 2, I get 2.5. If I do 5 floor division 2, I get 2. The 0.5 is lost. Something interesting here is that when I divide negative numbers, when the result of a division is negative, the result of floor division is rounded towards the number that is more far away from 0, has the higher absolute value. For example, if I divide minus 5 floor division 2, I get minus 3. So I get the number that is bigger, has a bigger absolute value. So those are all of the arithmetical operators in Python. Next time we will speak about operation precedence, which means if I have an expression with different operators, which operations are done first, are calculated first. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time.